Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about yellow tint or green tint issues on iPhone. So I have been seeing this kind of videos on YouTube that people comment about that I have green tint issue on my iPhone 12 or I have yellow tint issues on my iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. So in this video I'm going to tell you something about the display and brightness issues and how can you find out whether you have this kind of issues with your new iPhone or whether you have an existing iPhone. So in this video I'm going to talk about some of the tips and tricks that you can do by yourself and check in your iPhone that whether you're having some display or brightness issues or not. So this video is going to be all about the display brightness and the display calibration and the color calibration of iPhones. So if you're interested, give this video a thumbs up, and also it would mean a lot to me if you do subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so talking about the display brightness and color calibration, first let's talk about a thing that if you see that I'm using an iPhone XR. So this is an iPhone XR, 2 years old device. A lot of the new iPhone that came out, iPhone 12, people are saying that they are having a green tint issue on their iPhone, wherein in pitch dark, if you just go and do the full brightness or exactly tip down the brightness to the button, they are able to see some kind of green tint on their display. So that's the main concern. So now I'm gonna talk about something very basic which you should check whether you're having an iPhone or not. So come to this display brightness. So display depends on the 3 to 4 things. As you can see right now on my iPhone, as you can see, this true tone is on. If I switch on the true tone and if I switch off the true tone, the display or the brightness or the color calibration of the display is gonna change a little bit. So what this true tone does, so if you're in a well lit environment or if you are in a dark room, it tries to adapt the environment brightness and it tries to display the brightness according to the environment. So that's what it does. So this is how this true tone works. So if you're thinking that my display is not correct or the calibration color is wrong, so what you can do, you can turn off your true tone and now the whites will look white and other colors will look accurately. So this is the first thing that you can do. Whatever the other things that you can do, you can go to the settings and you can go to this display and brightness section and you can see whatever the brightness you have set for your iPhone. So as you can see, the brightness is at 20% for me. So you can, according to your will, you can set the brightness, and whatever the brightness you are comfortable with, you can set your brightness just like that. And also some people do turn on the night shift. For me it is scheduled from 12:30 a.m. in the morning till 6:30 a.m. So at night I generally like to have my phone with night shift on so that I don't get stressed out while looking at phone or something like that. So you can also change the color temperature just like that. You can see it is less warm and more warm, just like that. You can do a lot of things and play around with the color temperature just like that if you would like to. Now one more thing I would like to show you. If you come to settings and go directly to accessibility, and from here come down and you would be able to see this option display and brightness. So here once you see this display and text sizes, so click here, then come down, you would be able to see some option says color filters. So by default it would be off. So if you want to play with colors, you need to turn this on and you can see there's a check mark which says color filters. So by default it would be off. So if you want to see and experiment with the colors, different colors that you're able to see in the form of pencils, so you need to check this on. And as you can see, the moment I check this on, so it gave me a different kind of filter on my display. So now how you can play with the colors, you can see this intensity. If I play with the intensity, it will give me a different intensity. So there are a couple of options. There is grayscale, red and green filter, and this blue and yellow filter, so color tint. So if you're thinking that if you're having display issues with red or green filter, just select that and try to play around with the intensity. So in that way you would be able to see that what kind of green tint or what kind of issues you have with your display. So just select on green and red filter and see whether you're having an issue. So select the color tint and you can also play with the intensity and hues. So depends on whether you're having any issues with the display, whether you're thinking that your display have slight yellowish tint or slight bluish or greenish tint, you can fix that from here as well. So I heard that the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro, the latest iPhone, have some green tint issues. So the people who are using iPhone 12, advice for them as when come to the color filters, select the amount of hue that you would like to use, and then you could probably fix this display brightness problem. Apart from that, if you are having serious display issues, then definitely you should contact Apple support and get your phone replaced if you have recently bought it. So I hope this video was kind of helpful, and what are the basic things in order to identify that whether you are having a display issue or not. So when it comes to display, just come down to this notification and make sure that your true tone is off and your night shift is off, and also go to the accessibility and check the amount of hue, check the amount of saturation and the color intensity, whether the color filter is off or on. So these were the basic things, these were some of the basic checks that you can use to identify whether you're having a display tint issue, whether it could be a yellow tint, it could be a green tint, it could be any color of tint that you could be having issue on your iPhone. So these were the things that I wanted to talk about. I hope this video was a little bit helpful, and I have been using this iPhone XR for a long time. To be very frank, I did not have any such kind of yellow or green tint issues luckily on my phone, but people have been commenting on my videos that they are using iPhone 7, 7 Plus and older generations of iPhone, whether they are having yellow tint issues on their older iPhones. So if you are one of those, then definitely do check out this video and follow the steps that I have showed you in this video. Hope that would help you a lot in fixing your display brightness or the color tint issue problem. So then again, I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to support me. Then again, I will see you on my next video. Bye.